All right, working on the Tesla Model X today. I ordered these pedals. These are like an aluminum pedal that has got a rubber strip on them. These come on the performance models. So this one's just a 90D. It's not a performance one. So it just comes with the black pedals. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take these off and replace them and kind of give it a little better look for the pedals. So it comes with the accelerator. It comes with the accelerator pedal, the brake pedal, and then there's a footrest, which is mostly going to be covered up by a mat. So, okay, for starters, on the brake pedal, this is actually just a rubber cover. I'm just going to peel this off. Okay, so peel that off, and then the new one just kind of fits the same way. It just has a rubber edge around it and it fits around the brake pedal. I'm going to do the bottom. There's really no instructions on this. We're just kind of guessing how this goes on. Okay, so I'm just gonna, let's see, I'm gonna pull back the, you hit the brake pedal, it closes the door. Okay, it's on this side, it's just, I've gotta be able to reach underneath it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you just have to, on this side, you just have to really just pull up this rubber edge, make sure it's seated behind the pedal there. All right, that one's on. Let's go. Okay, accelerator pedal is kind of the same thing. We're just gonna start from I think we're gonna start from the bottom because the top is open because there's nothing to go around at the top, so I'm just gonna go right here. Okay, that one went on a little easier. And then let's take this mat out. Okay, I'm just figuring which way this goes. I think that this is really the only, it either goes this way or that way. And I think this notch goes on the bottom here. So we're just gonna see if this double-sided tape actually holds it onto the carpet. Because there actually isn't like a footrest built in, like some cars have like a plastic area right here for your footrest. This one just has carpet, so. Okay. Okay, as you can tell, that was a pretty simple modification, and these are pretty cheap. I'll leave a link to these on Amazon. I think I paid less than $20, like, or around $20 for these pedals, so it's a pretty cheap modification. It makes the interior, I think, look a little better, and kind of dresses up the footwell a little bit. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, give a subscription to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.